and then I'll post that on Instagram with a link to the video on YouTube. That's what's gonna happen from now on. I'll still be posting those on Wednesdays on Instagram, and I'll be posting the videos on Wednesday on YouTube. I don't know if I'm gonna take, I probably shouldn't, but I have 12 videos. This will be the 13th video, I think, and I'm gonna start from the beginning posting those on YouTube weekly. So I don't know how that's gonna work. Didn't really think about that. I mean, my plan was kind of like post those and then keep going, but I can't really do that now because I'm already so many videos deep that it's gonna be such a different. I don't know. I'll figure that out. Yeah, shit. I didn't really think about that.
All right, so I moved it forward and jacked it up because I actually am going to disconnect the rear drive shaft from the transmission, and there's this really weird brace that I've never seen on a car actually, so I'll show it to you right now. Right, so here's the brace that I'm talking about. Here's the, let's see, transmission, and then there's this brace. Usually there's like a brace like this that holds the transmission. This is just I'm guessing it's like a heat shield brace, but this literally runs down the entire underside of this car all the way back to the rear differential, which I've never seen before. So I'm guessing it's just a really crazy structural thing for the drive shaft and the transmission to like handle so much like torque or something. Bracket, I have no idea what this thing's called. I've never seen one of them before. And this whole thing is going to come out structurally. I don't know if this is holding it up. It probably will be, so I might have to be cautious when I'm doing this. I'll probably put a jack stand just in case. Make sure this whole transmission doesn't fall. But yeah. So there's this hanger that I'm also gonna have to remove. I'm just gonna throw some WD-40 on it to loosen it up, and then I'll go down there and remove those 2 bolts. Then I can drop this all out in one piece. All right. I might be able to actually reuse this whole exhaust on the 1J. It's pretty nice. I'll probably just swap because it's got cat bags or stock cats up front. Then I'll probably just put a straight pipe, and then there's actually some mufflers to the rear of this that'll actually probably be fine. Now, you just have to get this hanger. Here goes nothing. Hanger should be holding the whole. There's another hanger. God damn it. Alright. So that's gonna slide out now. Drop the whole exhaust. Yep. So that's that. It's like some 2-inch. It's heat shield, and it goes to the drive shaft. Pretty sure. So here's the drive shaft. Interesting. It's like an insulated. It's like a fiberglass coated drive shaft. Oh, we got one of them. Got 2 of them. That just dropped the whole thing. I removed this one, and then this one loosened. It's definitely flexing a whole lot, so that's gonna be staying until I'm ready to pull the actual transmission out. I'm gonna have to look into the shifting linkage up there and figure out if it's easiest to get through on the inside of the car, which I'm guessing it is. As soon as I disconnect that other bolt and we pull out the engine, the spline will disconnect. It'll just slide out, which means I don't actually have to do those bolts. I might just do that. That'll save me a lot of time. Yeah, I mean, I'll try it. See if it works. Just save time, so. Oh, yeah, you can see them straight through here. There's one there, and then one right there. I'm just gonna use the impact with an extension on it. I'll definitely loosen this bolt too, because that has to come out of there for it to move. But I'm getting ready to almost pull it. I think that's it. And we can start slowly moving out and see if there's anything connected. So we're like crazy. We got a fire right next to us right now, and it is so smoky and like overcast from the smoke. Oh, it's so low. Typically these gas is freaking. Okay, well that's not. What the fuck? I'm gonna cut it. Oh, this guy is so crazy right now. Bitch. One. And this whole interior is not like, I don't think put on correctly. Yeah, well that makes, what the fuck is going on here? Holy shit. Those, I have never seen that before. This is Cat 6 connectors, bro. For what? Is that a thing? I have never seen anything like that before. Actually, I just broke that. My mind's fucking blown. I don't even know what to say about that. Come right off. So then now, make sure this is in neutral. This weather's crazy right now. It's like the end of the world. It's all like foggy and it's 4 o'clock. It should be sunny as shit. Crazy. Honestly, probably the most handy thing that I have in my toolbox is this pipe. You slip it over a ratchet and it gives you way more leverage, otherwise I would lose my fucking mind. I use this thing all the time and it saves my knuckles and I freaking love it. So you literally just put it on in just to break some things loose. This lighting is so weird outside. The lighting outside, the sun's completely gone. Sun's gone. It's right there.
Yeah, it goes into this same lube.
Hold on. Alright, so we got the engine out. Wasn't that bad actually. I definitely did a lot of like wiring removal, even though I didn't need to because it stayed on the engine. I kind of forgot about that. But got it out. So much room. I just put this on it just to look at it. But I'm just gonna start like cleaning stuff up, figuring out what needs to stay, what needs to be fixed and replaced, or convert it. And I know this brace is definitely gonna have to come out, and then I'll probably relocate the oil cooler lines that are under it. This is the thing that I pulled out that I was saying was confusing to me, because it connects to the transmission to the rear differential, so that kind of like mates it together. That it isn't mounted to the chassis, it's mounted to this, so that kind of makes the drivetrain all connected, which makes sense. It kind of makes, I don't know if it makes it stronger or if there's less torque loss or something, but it weighs like 50 pounds, so I might try and see if they make something else that's lighter, or switch it over or something. I don't know. I'll probably just reuse it for now, because everything engine back is gonna stay stock. So everything stock, and then get everything working. I want AC to work. I don't know how hard that is to do. I want heat to work. I want all electronics to work. I want this to be like a stock car, extremely clean, and then later down the road I'll start throwing some parts at it. So that's gonna wrap up this video. Thanks for watching. For the people who've actually like watched through the whole all the videos, they are pretty long, and if you have stayed through them, then I appreciate you. Thank you. And yeah, I'll be posting every Wednesday. So thanks for watching, and catch you on YouTube, I guess.